College dorm must-haves from Amazon. First up is this bath caddy. Whether you're using a communal bathroom or sharing one with roommates, you'll want a place for all of your toiletries. Next up is this laundry bag that you can actually wear as a backpack, making it really easy to carry to the laundry room. Next up is this shelf you can attach to your bed. Dorm rooms usually have limited space, so this is a great way to store your essentials. This tabletop fan is perfect for your desk or your nightstand. And last up are these cable organizers you can stick right to your desk to organize your wires. College must-haves part 4. First are these cord clips that just stick onto the edge of your desk and they keep your cords from falling down. Next are these door back organizers that come in a pack of 2 and they're great for creating additional space for your shoes, your pantry, school supplies, or other random things. A stand for your laptop, which is nice for when you're working or studying. And lastly, if you're anything like me and don't like to touch the floor of a shared shower, these shower slippers are great, especially if you are living in a dorm.
Amazon must-haves part 49. No desk, no problem. This is my go-to workstation when I'm tired of sitting at my desk. The built-in cushions are comfortable and keep me cool while I'm working. It has enough space for my laptop, phone, and mouse. I also use this for reading, writing, and drawing. This portable desk has made working from home that much easier.
Part 2, sorry about the line. I'm standing in a window and the sun is setting. Also, sorry about my hand motions. I realize they're excessive. A power strip with a surge protector, this is super important. Find one that has USB plugins though, too, so when your friends visit your room, you don't have to worry about having extra actual cubes for their phone. I was so jealous of everyone who had one of these. They're rolling hampers. They are a little more money, but I would recommend getting something like that so you can roll your clothes on and you don't have to worry about carrying everything. Shoe balls. It's super common in college to have stinky feet because you're walking around, it's probably raining, things are probably getting hot. So just do these to keep your feet smelling good and to keep your dorm smelling nice. Toothbrush covers are a must-have. If you're going to be traveling from your dorm or you have communal bathrooms, you need these. Protect your toothbrush. And lastly, a Turbie Twist. Don't bring 2 full towels. Use one of these. It's a microfiber cloth. It is better for your hair anyways. I love mine.
College must-have from Amazon. I wish I would have had one of these in college. They are seriously awesome. It's a wireless digital highlighter and scanner for your notes and textbook. You just glide it over the sentence or paragraph that you're needing to know and it will automatically transfer it to your computer and read it aloud for you. You also have the option of having to go to your smartphone or tablet. It works for your handwritten notes too, which is awesome, so you just do the same thing, glide it over, and it will scan it onto your computer. You can switch up the different settings depending on what you're scanning, whether it's a text, image, number, or barcode. You can also translate any sentence into 40 different languages. So for that, it's the same thing, glide it over the sentence, and it will automatically translate it and read it aloud in that language that you chose. This is honestly so helpful for college students, and it can save you so much time.